Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, December 1st. I don't know what we're doing yet, but I have not drawn anything physically for like a month. I can't believe it's been this long. I knew I was going to be away for a little bit. Life happened, and I have actually been away for almost a month. You won't have seen that because I was far ahead. Luckily, I had gotten myself 4 weeks ahead, so I'm still 1 week ahead. I'm good. We're going to draw something for December 1st. This is all I have left of the patterns for Alina's second box. So we're just going to grab one of these. Which one are we feeling? We're feeling that one. That's the one we're going to do today. We're going to do it on this size. What are we doing? Naje. I don't know how you pronounce that. Naje, maybe? We got ourselves a kind of a ribbony thing. You're going to do some squiggle. Then on one side of the squiggle, we're going to put a line that goes like straight down from here all the way to there. And then we're going to aura the whole shape. And then in here on one side, we're going to put either fill it in with solid or with lines. And then she's done it, of course, in her traditional mandala style. I don't think I'm going to do mandala. We're going to do something else. But we're going to do that. We can do that because we have the power. Right. Put that in my little card holder. Put this is in the way. Put this back here. And let's think about composition. My fingers are freezing. Today is we went from being super duper hot to being cold. There was very few days where it was just nice. It is cold in here. I've got the heater on, but I'm not sure that it's working. I can smell it, when you first put the first heater on of the season, how you can smell it. So I can smell it. But I'm not, the blower doesn't seem to be blowing. So it's producing a little bit of heat, but it's like not coming out into the room. So that's annoying. I may have to get a different kind of heater for out here because it is nippy. What temperature is it out here anyway? My fingers are cold. I don't like drawing when my fingers are cold. Temperature is it out here? Let me look. It is 55 in my studio. Yeah, it's a little nippy. Okay, that's all right. It's all right. We will make do, and I have a way to get another little space heater out here, so we'll work on that. Okay, I think I'm going to put them in this sort of general, like 3 of them. Like this. Hopefully these will draw when my pens get too cold, the ink gets cold and it doesn't want to come out of the pen. That is also an issue. That one's not going to draw. How about this one? That one draws. Okay, we're going to draw with this one. Some of them are a little spiky. That's just what happened out of my pen today. So you know what? That's all right. Now I'll put this line. Oh, I didn't. Ah. Okay, I did that wrong. I wasn't supposed to go there. I was supposed to skip that one. I was supposed to go every other one. All right. We're going to try this again. Let's try this again. Okay, we're going to come up here. Like that. Like that. We're just going to fill this in with lines. Gosh, I haven't drawn in so long. I feel like, I mean, I've drawn at church. But I haven't drawn for you guys, and I just, oh my gosh, it's so cold out here. Yeah, I'm going to have to go get a heater. Makes me sad that this heater's not working. The blower is definitely not blowing. And I am too cold to draw. Effectively, I can feel my fingers getting colder and colder. And I know that I cannot draw with gloves on. And I know those of you who live in a winter wonderland sort of climate, you'll say 55 is not that cold. I am a mild-weathered gal. You get me much colder than 60 or much hotter than 90, and I'm miserable. Excuse me. And then we're supposed to aura it. And I think I'm going to aura with a smaller pen if I have one that will draw. That one will draw. We aura the entire shape. So we start here. And just aura the whole thing. I feel like I don't have control of my fingers because they're too cold. Excuse me. Wow, got the tickle in my throat too. Okay. All right, that's interesting. I feel like I need something to ground this. Maybe some circles. And some. What is this? I don't rightly know. I just needed to ground this drawing. Like that. Yeah, that's better. And then now it needs some color. I want this to be in this color range. How do I want to do this? Where's my scissor? My crafting scissors. There they are. When the tips on these pens get super big and frayed, I just go ahead and cut. Them into a better shape with my crafting scissors, because they're not good anyways. So all right, that'll work. I think I want to color in here. I maybe should have used watercolor. That. Something like that. Yeah, between my my poor art supply, which is not in best of condition, and my cold fingers. Ooh, I am having a struggle, people. We had our first really good rainstorm of the season. Luckily, it didn't come down super fast, but we did have a good amount of rain, which was nice. Do I want another color? I think I do. I'm going to go for this bluey green. Now this one still has a point to it. How nice. And we're going to do the other side. curious as to how much rain we've had the last couple of days. It's not raining today. It's a beautiful day. It's just cold. Cold and crisp. We have snow up on our mountains. There we go. Here we go. That's kind of fun. I like that. And then I want a little bit of graphite in the bottoms of these. What number am I using? Oh, I'm using a 2. Okay. That won't give us much. It'll give us some, but not much, which is fine. Just what I need. Just a little bit. Give the eye just a little bit of shadow. I have to work on my secretary duties for deacons today, later this afternoon. We had a meeting last night, and I'm the backup secretary. Our secretary is out of town, so I get to do all the things. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. All right, that looks good. Let's sign it. Let's give it a name, which is called Naje. Okay. Give it a sign. I am good. All right. So I'm going to take myself a little break already tonight. I'm going to take myself a little break. I'm going to go get myself a replacement heater because I know where there is one. And I'm going to, yeah, I got a couple things I need to buy, so I might as well go do that now. Take myself a break, warm up my fingers. My fingers are just so cold. And I will be back out here for the next one. I will record the next one for December 3rd. So I'll be back with you guys in just a minute. You won't notice that I'm gone because it'll be 2 days for you. So that's good. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.